Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best cannabis drying is probably one of the most crucial stages in the entire cultivation process, directly impacting the final quality, aroma, flavor, and potency of your harvest. Mastering this art requires a delicate balance of environmental control and patience, ensuring that your carefully grown buds are preserved to their full potential, transforming them from freshly harvested material into a premium product ready for curing and consumption, a step that separates good cannabis from great cannabis. Number 5. PROTITOUS 6-tier mesh zippered herb drying rack. Introducing the ultimate solution for drying your herbs, flowers, and plant materials. This rack provides ample airflow for quick and even drying, all within a compact space. Loading and unloading your herbs is a breeze with the convenient zippered flap. Everything stays securely contained, protecting your harvest from wind and mess. Ideal for grow tents and small spaces, it's perfect for drying a variety of herbs, fruits, and vegetables naturally. Hate noisy electrical appliances. This drying rack offers a safe, clean, and natural way to dry your herbs without any fuss. This kit comes complete with a pruning shear and hanging accessories, allowing you to trim and dry your harvest with ease. What we like. This drying rack offers a natural and efficient way to dry your herbs. Its zippered design keeps everything contained and undisturbed. If you prefer a simple, electrical-free drying method and want to dry your herbs in a clean, safe space, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The drying unit is designed with adjustable temperature and humidity controls, allowing for precise management of the drying environment. Its efficient airflow system ensures uniform drying across all cannabis batches, preventing mold and preserving terpene profiles. The integrated timer function automates the drying process, providing convenience and consistent results. Number 4. VIVOSUN 6-layer mesh drying rack. Introducing the VIVOSUN 6-layer mesh drying rack, designed for optimal airflow and heat absorption. Its ventilated nylon mesh ensures excellent circulation, while the black material harnesses sunlight for effective drying. With 6 spacious layers, each measuring 7.48 inches high, this rack provides generous room for your buds and foods. Each chamber can support up to 2.2 pounds, offering substantial drying capacity. This product comes with included pruning shears for precise plant cutting before drying. It's a great combination that streamlines your entire harvesting process from start to finish. The fully enclosed design safeguards your items from external factors like wind and birds. Keep your harvest safe and undamaged throughout the drying period. When not in use, it conveniently folds down into an included pouch for easy storage and transport. Be mindful of the spring force when opening the carrying bag. What we like. This drying rack utilizes nylon mesh to ensure excellent airflow and absorb heat from sunlight for effective drying. It offers ample space for your harvest and is easily stored when not in use. If you're looking for a drying solution that can benefit from natural sunlight and is convenient to store, this is a great option. What people say. The drying unit is very efficient and maintains optimal humidity levels for curing. Its compact design allows for easy placement in smaller spaces without compromising drying capacity. The integrated fan system ensures even airflow, preventing mold and promoting a consistent dry. Number 3. iPower Collapsible Herb Drying Rack. Introducing the iPower Collapsible Herb Drying Rack, designed for optimal drying of your harvest. Its innovative design ensures your plants receive the best care. This rack features a versatile 6-layer system, easily adjustable to 2, 4, or 6 chambers. It's perfect for drying various plants, from herbs to buds. Crafted from environmentally friendly nylon mesh with a built-in steel ring, it offers exceptional steadiness and breathability. Your harvest will dry evenly without rotting. The mesh construction allows for quick, even drying and 360-degree access for tending. Cleaning is also a breeze, making maintenance simple. When not in use, it collapses easily into a compact carrying bag for convenient storage. Hang it anywhere, indoors or outdoors, to save valuable space. Ideal for drying a wide range of plants including herbs, flowers, vegetables, and buds. Use it in your grow tent, garage, or any suitable space. What we like. This drying rack features a unique detachable layer system, allowing you to customize its configuration. Its breathable mesh and sturdy support ensure quick and even drying. If you need a versatile drying solution that can adapt to different quantities and is easy to store, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The drying unit is designed with adjustable humidity and temperature controls, allowing for precise environmental management crucial for optimal cannabis drying. Its efficient airflow system ensures uniform drying across all cannabis batches, preventing mold and preserving terpene profiles. The integrated timer function simplifies the drying process, enabling users to set specific drying durations for different strains and achieve consistent results. Number 2. Mars Hydro 2 Feet 4-Layer Herb Drying Rack. Introducing the Mars Hydro Herb Drying Rack, a versatile 2 feet wide, 4-layer solution designed for efficient drying. It's perfect for your herbs, flowers, and seeds. Each of the 4 layers measures 8 inches high, providing ample space for your harvest. Crafted from durable polyester mesh and steel, it offers sturdy support for up to 2.2 pounds per layer. The enclosed design features a 1-3 zipper for easy access and controlled drying. Its mesh construction ensures great ventilation, promoting quick and effective drying. This rack is designed for convenience. It comes with a heavy-duty scissor, S-hook, and carrying bag for easy setup and storage. Please be careful when loosening the elastic binding straps for folding. Achieve optimal drying results for your herbs, flowers, and seeds with this practical and efficient rack. Its thoughtful design supports your growing needs. What we like. This drying rack is designed for quick and efficient drying with its well-ventilated layers and a convenient 1-3 zipper for easy access. It's made from durable polyester mesh for reliable support. If you prioritize fast drying times and a secure, easy-to-access drying environment, this rack is a solid choice. What people say. The drying unit is designed with adjustable temperature and humidity controls, allowing for precise environmental management crucial for optimal cannabis drying. Its efficient airflow system ensures even drying across all cannabis material, preventing mold and preserving terpene profiles. The unit features a user-friendly interface with preset drying programs for different cannabis strains, simplifying the process for both beginners and experienced growers. Number 1. The Bud Grower 150W HPS All-in-One Grow Kit. Experience optimal light spectrum for all stages of plant growth with our 150W HPS Grow Light. It offers low energy consumption and a silent fan for quiet operation, making it perfect even for beginners. This grow tent is built to last with heavy-duty 1680D Oxford cloth and a sturdy steel frame. Its design ensures 99% light retention and odor reduction, featuring convenient access points and a leak-proof floor tray. Our all-in-one home grow kit is designed to save you both time and money. Years of research and development have gone into creating a comprehensive solution to support your growing journey from start to finish. Breathe easy with our superior carbon filtration system. It effectively eliminates up to 98.5% of unwanted odors, thanks to a powerful fan and Australian virgin charcoal for odorless indoor cultivation. Our nutrient-enriched soil utilizes fermented concentrate and beneficial microbes. This technology helps plants absorb vital nutrients more effectively and prevents potential nutrient burn, promoting healthier growth. Grow with confidence knowing you have the support of California growing experts. We provide everything you need for your home grow and are dedicated to helping beginners succeed every step of the way. What we like. This is a complete indoor grow kit designed for convenience and efficiency, featuring a powerful HPS grow light and a highly durable grow tent. It's an all-in-one solution that saves you time and money. If you are a first-time grower or looking for a comprehensive setup with minimal hassle, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The drying unit is very efficient and maintains consistent temperature and humidity levels, which is crucial for preserving the quality of the cannabis. Its compact design makes it suitable for small-scale operations, and the adjustable airflow settings allow for precise control over the drying process. The unit is easy to operate and clean, with a user-friendly interface that simplifies the drying cycle management. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.